is Eniya Garcia, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to dry shave your face. Now I know this sounds very skeptical, and when I first seen this going on Instagram, I was like, oh, why is everybody shaving their face? It's going to grow back super hairy, it's super scary. But with doing a lot of research, I found that there's actually a lot of benefits to shaving your face. One of the benefits is that it exfoliates the dead skin cells off of your face. It can reduce your acne scarring or scarring on your face in general, and it also gets rid of your hairs without having to do waxing. And I say this because waxing, after a certain amount of time, after you've been waxing for a certain amount of years, it actually starts to pull at your skin and create wrinkles. So they say, like, once you hit the age of like 20s, early 20s and beyond, it's good to just, not really wax your face that much, because you're constantly tugging at your skin to remove the hairs, and it's actually causing little wrinkles and just pulling on your skin. So that's why today I'm going to be showing you guys how I shave my face at home with a straight blade razor. And basically I'm just going to show you guys how this goes down. No, your hair is not going to grow back thicker, and you're not going to grow a mustache, you're not going to grow a beard. This is simply to have a flawless, smooth surface when you're applying makeup, remove your dead skin cells, and also remove any tiny baby hairs that are on your face. So we're just going to get right into it. I have bought these razors, these straight razors. These are the type of razors you want to use off of, I think, Amazon. All you're going to need is one of these type of razors and a mirror. And make sure your face is clean and dry. You don't want to add any shaving cream, any oils, or any wetness to your face, because it does grow back thicker if you're shaving with a wet blade and just having all that stuff on your face. If I can open this though. Okay, these are super cute colors. I don't know which color I'm going to use. I guess I'll just use pink because it reminds me of the Glam Page. If you guys haven't checked out my website, theglampage.com, make sure you guys go and check that out. I got some great products on there. You already know. Okay, so at this point, you just want to look at your face and figure out what sections of your face you actually want to shave down. So I basically just have this mirror here because I don't want to look right into the camera to see where I'm going to be shaving. I want to actually look like eye to eye with myself and see where I'm going to be shaving. You're also going to want some pretty good lighting for this. Excuse me while I clean my mirror. Mirror is clean. So I'm basically just going to be going. I see that I have some hairs on here. I grow a pretty crazy mustache. I'm Hispanic, so we be growing hairs everywhere. And this is why this is going to be helpful for all my Spanish women and, just foreign women in general that grow a lot of hair everywhere. I mean, I grow hair on my arms are really hairy. I grow hair in places that, let's just not even get into it. But what you're going to do basically is just go in and just graze your face with the razor. So it's going to be really gently. You're not going to cut into the skin. Just be like... It's going to be like a swift and quick movement. And if you're feeling iffy, it's okay to hold the skin while you're doing it. And this is way better than doing a chemical peel on your face or waxing it. I know that I've done the Nair on my face and I've burnt my upper lip so many times that it's just ridiculous. So this is like literally the best alternative that I've found besides doing that. Another way you can do it is holding this here and I got some little chinny chin hairs here. A lot of little peach fuzz is coming off of this. But skin feels very, very smooth after doing this. Now we're going to go up to the forehead. So in between the eyebrows. Be careful when you do your eyebrows, by the way. I'm just gonna do a little bit above the eyebrow.
내 모습이 보여. Will everything fail? Would you like to swim in the sky? 우리 멀리 떠나자. Cause baby 나 여기 밖은 좋아. Swimming, swimming, swimming like a bird. Dreaming, dreaming, I can fly to anywhere. You are, you are, that's right. You are, that's right.
And just like that, we are all done with the face shaving. So notes to take from this: use a straight blade razor, don't wet your face, make sure your face is dry and clean. You can also hold the sections that you're doing so that you don't accidentally make a bald spot on your face, and also just graze the razor, don't press into the skin, don't create any breakage, and go in the same direction as you feel your skin is growing. So if you feel like the hair is growing downwards, shave in the same way that your hair is going. If you feel that your hair is going sideways this way, then shave in the same direction that your hair is growing. And those are my tips for how to shave your face. Hope this was a little helpful. I'm just basically just did this quick video because I'm getting ready. I'm gonna go out tonight. So this is part of my skin prep before I do my makeup, and I kind of just wanted to share what I do and how I get a really flawless skin look when I do my makeup. So hope that this video was helpful, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.